Install the high cabinet. Make sure that the bottom panel of the high cabinet is aligned with the bottom panel of the washstand. Assemble the high cabinet according to the assembly instructions. In this example, you can choose where you want to fit the handle, since the door is not pre-drilled. Firmly hold or clamp a piece of wood on the opposite side of the door for a nice and neat drill hole. Once you've assembled the mirror cabinet according to the assembly instructions, it's time to fix it to the wall. Make sure that the wall cabinet is aligned vertically with the wash basin and the top panel is aligned with the high cabinet. Before you connect the electrical part, check the local rules and regulations about electrical installation, and if needed, get support from a local electrician. General rule: turn off the power in the bathroom before you start working with electricity.